Hello friends, this is Vivek. In previous videos, we have completed our theoretical part of arithmetic progression along with some questions. You can get the link of those videos in description of this video. In next 3 videos, we are going to solve previous year JEE Mains and advanced questions. If 19 term of a non-zero EP is 0, then its ratio of 49 term and 29 term we need to find. They have given T19 equal to 0. T19 means what? A plus 18D. A plus 18D we have given as 0. From here what can we write A value? A value we can write as minus 18D. This will be our equation number 1. Now next what they have given? Ratio, what we need to find? We need to find ratio of 49 and 29 term. It means we need to find T49 divided by T29. This will be equal to A plus 48D divided by A plus 28D. Then in place of A, if you write minus 18D, what we will get? Minus 18D plus 48D divided by minus 18D plus 28D. Then solve this, we will get 30D divided by 10D. D and D will be cancelled out, 0 will be cancelled out. What will be the ratio? 3:1. Ratio will be 3:1. Answer will be our C part. This is also 2019 question. If 19 term of a non-zero EP is 0, then its ratio of 49 term and 29 term we need to find. They have given T19 equal to 0. T19 means what? A plus 18D. A plus 18D we have given as 0. From here what can we write? A value? A value we can write as minus 18D. This will be our equation number 1. Now next what they have given? Ratio, what we need to find? We need to find ratio of 49 and 29 term. It means we need to find T49 divided by T29. This will be equal to A plus 48D divided by A plus 28D. Then in place of A, if you write minus 18D, what we will get? Minus 18D plus 48D divided by minus 18D plus 28D. Then solve this, we will get 30D divided by 10D. D and D will be cancelled out, 0 will be cancelled out. What will be the ratio? 3:1. Ratio will be 3:1. Answer will be our C part. This is also 2019 question. If A1, A2, A3 up to AN are in AP and A1 plus A1 plus A4 plus A7 plus dash up to A16 are 1, 1, 4. Okay. First of all, they have given A1, A2, A3, all these are in AP. So I will consider an AP up to A16 only because they have asked up to A16. So I will take A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, at last, let's say last I will write here A11, A12, A13, A14, A15 and A16. Okay. What they have given? They have given A1 plus A4 plus A7. It means first term plus, in this you have to add 3, then you will get 4th term, 7th term, next will be 10th term. You have given A1 plus A4 plus A7 plus A10 plus A13 plus A16. This value we have given as 114. Okay, if you see this, first term plus last term, what will be? This will be equal to fourth term plus 13th term. Fourth term from starting and fourth term from last. This A13 is what? If you start from last, A1, 2, 3, 4, this will be fourth term from end. And so all these will be equal, because we know that A1 plus AN will be equal to A2 plus AN minus 1 will be equal to A3 plus AN minus 2. All these will be equal. So similarly here also we can write 3 pairs we are getting. So we can write as 3 times of A1 plus A16. This value we have given as 114. From here A1 plus A16 we can write as 114 divided by 3. Cancel out 3 times and 8 times. It means A1 plus A16 we are getting as 38. Okay, this will use when we require. Next, what they have given, A1, they are asking A1 plus A6 up A11 and A16. They are asking A1 plus A1, A6, A11, A16. A1 plus A6 plus A11 plus A16. This value they are asking. Okay, here also we can say this A1 plus A16 will be equal to A6 plus A11. So this will be equal to what? 2 times of A1 plus A16. And A1 plus A16 value we know 38. Then 2 times of 38. This will be our answer, 76. Second part will be our correct answer. Next we will move to next question. Let Sn denote the sum of first n terms of an AP. If S4 equal to 16, they have given S4 equal to 16 and S6 equal to minus 48. Then we need to find S10. Okay. If you find S6 minus S4, what we will get? We will get T5 plus T6. Why? S6 is known as sum of first 6 terms. From that, if you subtract that sum of first 4 terms, what will be left? Last 2 terms. It means 5th term and 6th terms will be left. So we will apply this. S6 we have given as minus 48 minus 16 will be equal to T5 will be A plus 4D plus A plus 5D. So this side will get minus 64 will be equal to minus 64 equal to 2A plus 9D. Okay. It means 2A plus 9D will be 2A plus 9D will be equal to minus 64. Whenever we will need this, we will use this one. 2A plus 9D equal to minus 64. Now, they are asking S10. S10 means what? 10 by 2 bracket 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. 10 by 2 means this will become 5. 5 bracket 2A plus 9D. And 2A plus 9D value we know minus 64. Then 5 into minus 64 will be how much? Minus 320. This S10 we are getting as minus 320. This will be our. Next question. If the sum and product of first 3 terms of an AP is 33 and 1155. Sum. They have given 3 terms. So what we will do? We will assume let the 3 terms of AP are What are that? A minus D, A, and A plus D. So sum they have given, sum of the terms they have given as 33. It means A minus D plus A plus D. This value we have given as 33. D and D will be cancelled out. We will get 3A equal to 33. It means A value will be 11. A value we are getting is 11. Now they have given product of these three numbers will be 1155. Okay. Product means what? A minus D into A plus D. And this value we have given as 1155. Okay. What is A value? 11 minus D into this 11 I will write outside, and 11 plus D. A minus B into A plus B, we can apply A square minus B square formula. Here 1155. 11 table we can cancel this one. We will get us 105. So we are getting 11 square 121 minus D square will be equal to 105. So this D square will be equal to 121 minus 105. Subtract this. D square will be equal to 16. D value will be how much? Plus minus 4. Plus minus 4. Now A value. So what are the terms will be there? Terms of AP will be A minus D, A, and A plus D. A plus D. First we will check for D equal to 4. If D equal to 4, then here I will do for D equal to minus 4. D equal to minus 4. A value will be same for both, 11. Here also A will be 11. Okay. So what are the terms? Terms will be 11 minus D will be, 11 minus 4 will be 7. 11 and 15. In this case, what will be D? D will be 4. D already we know. First term A value will be, first term let's say I will write A1. A1 will be 7. Okay. In this case, what you will get A1? Here A minus D, A, and A plus D. A value will be 11. 11 minus minus plus 4. It means 15, 11 and 7. These are the three terms. Here A1 will be 7 and D will be 4 only. Minus 4. D will be minus 4. D will be minus 4. Okay. What they are asking in this? They are asking value of 11th term. We need to find value of 11th term. In both the case, we will find the 11th term and we will check which will be the answer. Okay, what will be 11 in first case? T11. A1 plus 10D. D. A1 value is how much? 7 plus 10 into 4. So how much you will get? 7 plus 40. This will be 47. This we are getting. T11 we are getting as 47. In this case, what we will get? T11. It will be A1 plus 10D. So A1 value will be 15. Sorry, in this case A1 will be 15. Okay. 15 plus 10 into minus 4. So what we will get? 15 minus 40. This T11. So T11 we will get as 15 minus 40 will be minus 25. We will check any one of this will be in option. Minus 25, D part. This will be your correct answer. So we will move to next. They are saying the sum of integers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 2 or 5. Already this type of question we have done. So what will be this S? S will be sum of the number which are multiple of 2. It means numbers divisible by 2 plus numbers divisible by 5. but in this the numbers which are multiple of 10, that will be counted twice, so that number you have to subtract 1. Number divisible by 10. Okay, these numbers you have to subtract. So what will be our S value? Numbers divisible by 2 will be how much? 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 100. Okay. Plus number divisible by 5, it will be 5 plus 10 plus 15. What will be last number? 100. Minus the number which are multiple of 10. This 10 plus 20. At last we will get 100. Okay. So this S value will be, if you take 2 common in this, you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. Sum of first 50 natural numbers. Plus here if you take 5 common, you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20. This will be sum of first 20 natural numbers. Minus if you take 10 common here, 1 plus 2 up to 10. So what can we write here? 2 into, what will be sum of n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. It means here 50 into 51 divided by 2. You can cancel this 2. Plus here 5 into, same thing, 20 into 21 divided by 2. This will become 10. Plus, sorry, minus 10 into, here how many? 10 numbers. So 10 into 11 divided by 2. This will become 5. Here S will be equal to, if you multiply this 50 into 51, you will get 5, 25, 0. Plus 21 into 5 will be 105, 10. Minus 11 into 5, 55, 10. Okay. So this S will be equal to, if we add this here 0, 5 plus 5, 10, and here 5, 6, and here you will get 3, minus 550. So if you subtract this, you will get 3050. 3050. Thank you very much. Do like, share and subscribe to motivate me for making many more new videos. You can get the link of my previous videos by clicking on description of this video. Feel free to write your views or suggestions in comment section of this video. Thank you once again for watching my video.